So the beautification process is a part of the Smart Town initiative which we've taken, and this is being done in Tura and Jowai both. So this is a package that will continue. We feel that there are a lot of junctions which with a basic facelift which is going on in Tura right now. You will see as it happens. Basic facelift of increasing the, changing the tiles, putting better lighting, cleaning up this surrounding, putting up better, overall boundary walls and other beautification aspects can lift the overall look of these junctions. So while that happens, you are aware that we have also initiated the process of acquiring a new land for the dumping ground. That process also is on. I'm sure that it should be completed very soon. We are doing the same for Tura as well as for Shillong also. So the process is on for all the three major city towns in the state. Then the second part was?
Landfill.
So landfill, that's what it is. So we are in the process.
We don't have yet. We are yet to have a civic body. No.
Yeah, so civic bodies is a much more complicated aspect. As you're aware that it requires elections to be taken place, and there's always been a challenge in this. It's not that last 4 years we had this. This is from a long time. So these need to be resolved, and we don't want to be in a situation where we are forcing things on people. So we need to take people into confidence. We will see how to work forward in this, and we'll try to find a resolution. It's not simple, but in the meantime, the other development processes should not stop, and that's why these processes are going on. And let's see, we'll work towards seeing if we can have civic bodies, but difficult to say right now.